The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Cedar County, Northwestern Scott County, Southwestern Clinton County until 4 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Liberty, or 9 miles north of Durand, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DeWitt, Long Grove, Wheatland, Grand Mound, Calamus, Bennett, Donahue, Dixon, New Liberty, Camp Liberty, Park View, Bennett Park, Big Rock, Sherman Park, Clinton County Fairgrounds, and Scott County Park. Take cover now.